Welcome to Rome Tips. If you're enjoying this content, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience with the product. Today, we're exploring VBT, available at VBT.com. This platform offers a unique approach to describe the core function of VBT, expanding on this based on the actual content of the website. For example, if VBT is a project management tool, you might say, a unique approach to project management, streamlining workflows and fostering team collaboration through an intuitive interface and powerful integrations. I've been using VBT for a mentioned timeframe, e.g., a few weeks, the past month, and I'm eager to share my insights. Expand on the specific features and functionalities of VBT, drawing details from the website. Be specific and descriptive. For example, if VBT has Kanban boards, describe how they work and how you've utilized them. If it has reporting features, mention the types of reports available and how useful they are. This section should be the bulk of your rewritten text, providing significantly more detail than the original single line. One of the standout aspects of VBT is mention a key feature and elaborate on its benefits. For example, its seamless integration with other popular tools. I've connected it with my Slack workspace, and the real-time updates have been a game-changer for my team's communication. Another aspect worth noting is mention another feature and detail your experience with it. For example, the flexibility of its customization options. I was able to tailor the dashboards to perfectly match my workflow, which has significantly boosted my productivity. While VBT has many strengths, there are also some areas where it could be improved. Mention any shortcomings or areas for improvement. Be constructive and specific. For example, the mobile app could use some refinement. While functional, the interface isn't as intuitive as the desktop version. Overall, my experience with VBT has been positive and negatives mixed. Explain why. I'd recommend it to anyone looking for, describe the ideal user profile for VBT. For example, a robust project management solution that emphasizes collaboration and customization. Be sure to check out VBT.com for yourself and let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching.